Are you looking to boost your brain power and improve your cognitive function? Well, the good news is that there are certain foods you can eat that can help improve your brain health. In today's video, we'll share with you the top 5 healthiest brain foods to try. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that are essential for brain health. These healthy fats help to build brain cell membranes and improve brain function. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants that can protect your brain from damage caused by free radicals. They also contain flavonoids that can improve memory and cognitive function. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are loaded with vitamins and minerals that are important for brain health. They contain high levels of folate, which can help improve memory and cognitive function. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are a great source of vitamin E, which can help protect the brain from oxidative stress. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients that can improve cognitive function. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oatmeal are a great source of glucose, which is the brain's main source of energy. They also contain fiber and other nutrients that can help improve brain function. Thank you for watching.